Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best internet speed test website by comparing Speedtest by Ookla and fast.com in 2025. If you're looking for the best internet speed tester in 2025, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into this. Ookla's speed test is a consistent and reliable source for determining your internet speeds. Ookla offers everything you need in a speed test: accuracy, access to your speed test history, if you have an account, a wide selection of servers to connect to, and a convenient app for testing speeds on your Android or iOS device. Ookla's speed test is also what we rely on to test Wi-Fi routers. Ookla also measures your latency, which is useful information if you game regularly. As of today, Ookla has performed over 55 billion speed tests. Moreover, it keeps up with digital trends by frequently adding new features and capabilities. A few years ago, Ookla released a video-specific speed test that measures your network's ability to handle 4K video streams. It also offers its own VPN service. In addition to the website and smartphone apps, Ookla has apps you can run on Windows, Mac, and even on an Apple TV. Fast.com is easy to use and can measure your internet's performance when it comes to streaming. If you love streaming your favorite shows and movies, this speed test could prove to be useful. Netflix owns Fast, and this test can determine if your connection has the capacity to stream Netflix in maximum resolution without any disruptions. Even better, you don't need to be subscribed to Netflix to utilize its features. Unlike Ookla, the interface is free of ads, so you don't have to worry about those pesky pop-ups interrupting your speed test. The basic features are easy to use, but they lack some advanced settings and metrics you'll find with most speed tests. A big chunk of information is missing in that equation, and that's your upload speeds, which are more important than you might think. Finally, you can't specify which server you'd like to connect with for your test. Through that basic comparison, you can easily decide what suits you and your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.